So today we're gonna go over the SaltDogg salt spreader, and how to unjam a salt spreader like this if it ever gets jammed. It's the TGS07 Tailgate series. It's a little bit bigger over the hopper that you would get from the smaller model. And I got a jam here, so let's check it out while we're washing off the truck. So what I'm gonna do is check to see if I even still have the jam. Turn on the salter controller. It's at number 2. You can actually start to hear it. That's the auger buffering to try and release itself, right? Struggling, so there's a blockage. So if you go back here, it was at number 2. You go back and it's flashing now at J. J will go to P, and it flashes back and forth. So let's just turn this off just for the sake of it. And I'm gonna go put some money into the wash. Start back the salter controller again, just to get the vibrator and the auger moving. So once I do clear the blockage, it'll just start spinning the auger and the spinner. So let's see here. Got the rinse on. Turn this bad boy back on. Get the vibrator going. And you're gonna wanna point directly towards the auger and just spray. There you go. Holy shit. Bulk salts, it's too much.